Let's fix this bug that I discovered last time, is that if you create a space with no description, then if you create a space with no description, you're not able to create any entities in it, which is weird. So let's see what's happening. So start the server, go to localhost, let's create a new space, no description. I jump in here and I try to create a box. I clicked on the box, what happened? So insert into spaces, this created the space. And let's see, update, processing, show. This is us entering the space. Post API processing. Okay, this is to get the, this is the, what do you call, svelte, getting the description, and we never made a request here. We never, it's as if we never clicked on anything. So let's add some debugging here. Inside the assets, JS, let's see, under the menu manager, sorry, under main, we have some, no, under primitive, we have a callback that should do this, emit spaces API with this business. So let's go to Signal Hub, outgoing. Who's listening to outgoing on Spaces API? Spaces API. So this is broadcast new position. These are all outgoing Signal Hub. Okay, on. When you see this on, then you'll push this to the channel. And I didn't think we got this. So let's just console log this. Receiving spaces API with a payload here. So we'll reload this part. Pull up the console and put primitives. Okay, there's our JavaScript error. Try to push spaces API before joining. That's interesting. I thought we have joined already. Let's try again. Clicking any of these errors. So let us. Oh, that's interesting. It didn't ask. Where's the prompt? Oh, so something may have failed before that. Yeah. Okay. I see. So what happens when we load the page? We load app, svelte, and this thing has some state variables. Did I join the space, which is false, and it presents this welcome. So if you didn't join the space, it's going to show the welcome, and welcome is this modal. So what happens in welcome? So we're going to try to bring back name and description, and it's probably failing on this part. So I made a query here for that and description. Query space, and we should get loading. Oh no. And so it's not clear. This obviously didn't come up. It's possible it went into an error, so it didn't come into the else path, it went in here. So we got oh no. And so if we inspect the source now, how do we do this? Elements, there might be something that says oh no. Here it is. Oh no, cannot return null for a non-nullable field. Why can't it be null? Let's go back to our schemas. Schema. And if we look at description, it can be a string. That's okay. But that's okay. The rest of these seem fine. So let us stop the server. Make sure we pick up the changes. And now we see this. It's welcome to this, and then we get null. Well, null isn't too great either. So how are we displaying this? If we just look at that welcome, so we get, so let's just not show this. Here we can just use if there's a value, do space data space description, then do that. Otherwise, that's fine. Secondly, this thing I think probably only makes sense if you're on a desktop with multiple inputs. If you're on like a quest or something, you shouldn't need to do this. But we can leave that as a future enhancement. So we can go next. I think we fixed this bug. And we want to skip select mic and output if on quest. Enhancement. Let's save our work here. Let's test it really quick. So over here, now if we come here, box, there's our box. Great. Let's save and post.